Kathleen Voortmann from Voortmann Chiropractic and Natural Body Restoration in Clear Lake, Iowa. I have been working with natural health for over 10 years, actually with chiropractic over 15, and I'm here to talk about nutrition response testing. 10 years ago, I was really sick, and I just felt so tired I could barely get up. I felt so exhausted. I remember telling my husband, you don't understand, I don't feel tired. I feel exhausted. I don't even want to brush my teeth, but I don't want to be that person that just stays home because we have things to do in our life and we have kids. So that's where I wanted to find out and seek the answer. And that's where I found nutrition response testing. And it has been the answer to everything, to my health. And I want that for you because it's not fun to go through every day and feel so tired and not have a quality of life. And even I'm very religious, I want you and me to have more time to spend on God's time and energy and to put it to Him and not be tired and feel horrible, and that goes to our families and our community. So here I'm going to explain nutrition response testing. What it is I want to find the cause of your health problem. It is so very important. The cause of the problem is what lets you stay in this rut. So what is it? Come on, tell me, right? So what it is I have a technique that will analyze the body, non-invasive, which is even more fun because I know that a lot of my patients have spent thousands of dollars and everything going through tests and then just haven't said the true answer. So what we want to do is analyze that and give you supplements, and because these supplements are supplements, they're all organic, that you're missing the nutrients in your body. You can even eat totally healthy, but you still may be missing these in your diet because maybe they sat at the grocery store too long, or maybe we microwaved it and the thing that you needed to make your body go right is not there. So that's where I come into place. So what we need to do is nutrition response testing will help find those supplements that you need in your body, and it's all organic. We've done over 10 years. You can look at my Facebook of all the people that are happy because they have more energy. So if you will, please, I would love for you to like or subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you can get more videos and more deep into knowing about nutrition response testing. Thank you.